feeding the fucking seagulls! Leave!
Life's so weird.
She's crackers and she's fucking. Oh my gosh. Hello! Hang on, watch me walk.
Behind us.
Like, hello! We have an army of like 100 seagulls. Like, we literally have an army! We're gonna fight the war and win! We should train our seagulls to like kill or something.
These guys are scary.
They're getting really close, like, I'm actually scared!
Faced by. Behind us.
I'm running! Like, fucking look! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're smart. You're not coming in here. Don't bring them through here. Yeah, thank goodness. Fucking hell, that was scary.
Look.
They're like sitting there waiting for us. Are they gonna fly over?
No.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Now, what was your thinking with it?
Oh!
You brought them back. You brought them back. Hello? Take that one.
My mum looks outside.
Georgia, we're gonna kill a seagull or something. Ah, there's too many! Georgia, no! Fucking help! Georgia, come back here! Get your ass back here! I'm running. Don't at me, you dumb bitch. You fucking bitch. Oh my god! Let's go this way so like we're out of the road.
No, this is right next to my mum's work and she's at work today! She looks at
That one caught it. Wow. It's
Oh my god!
Look at all those chickens. Oh, just stop and actually like getting anxious. Like this shit's not fun. Can you find your mum? Let's just show her. Show her your new children.
My mum's right, like, working there.
Fun.
I don't know why we put the tiny chicken.
Should we go between this alleyway here?
I'm trying to see if my mum's into it. Yes,
Is that your mum? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to do this video so we can